Hello guys, welcome to Geek. Today our topic is how to zip and unzip your files and folders. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. In this tutorial you will learn how to install the very common and light program which is used for zipping, that is Win Rar. Create your own zip folder, add programs, files and folders into zip program. And the fourth one is extract your files and folders from zip. So first of all, you need to Win Rar, the most common zip program. You need to install it. I have already installed. So we will create a zip program. First of all, we will create zip. Right click on your PC, go into new, and here is Win Rar archive. You can put name testing. Now this is zip. Initially this is empty. I will close it. So this is our testing zip. So we need to add files and folders. Suppose I will create a files and folder random for testing. This is new folder. Then I will create a new text file. So this one. I will create multiple text files. So simply you need to just drag it into, then press OK. This will include it in zip. Now I want to include folder, drag here and click OK. Now this testing zip files have two programs. The first one is new folder and new text file. In this way you can include files and folder in your zip. Now one of folder, new folder and new text file is compressed and part of testing.rar. So further you can add any file into compressed mode directly. Just right click on that file and compress to zip. Now this is the zip file of this new text document. In this way you can directly add your files and folders into zip. Now this is included. Suppose I want to add this folder into zip. Just right click on it and select compress to zip file. This will take some time. You can select any other name. Now this is also a compressed folder. So if you want to extract files from any zip, like you want to extract this file, new text file from zip, just drag this into desktop. This will unzip. Replace this because this is already available. Now the copy of file is also created on desktop of this file. In this way you can add, create and extract files and folder into zip mode. Thanks guys for watching and learning.